guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do the, what is it? The Starbucks barista picks my drink challenge. Is it a challenge? I don't even know. I've decided to do that for today's video. And I'm kind of gonna do this vlog style because there are a couple errands I have to run. So there might be other stuff besides Starbucks in this video. I'm sorry, the sun keeps coming in and out, so it's getting dark and then light, dark and then light. So hopefully it's not annoying. I've never really understood the hype around Starbucks. Don't kill me, please. I've gotten drinks from there before and they're good. Like, they're not bad at all, but they're not like amazing. They're good, you know? So I never really understood the hype. When I would watch my favorite YouTubers, I would try and pay attention to the drinks that they ordered. So I'm like, okay, maybe I'm like ordering the wrong thing, right? Like that could be it, right? Maybe I don't know how to order and there's like drinks that I'm missing out on that are actually really good. So I'm like, okay, let me just listen to what their order is. And I always try to remember it and then go to Starbucks and order it to see like what the hype is all about, you know? But I always forget. I never write it down. So when I saw this challenge on YouTube, I'm like, oh my God, that is such a good idea. Like this whole time I could have just told the barista to just recommend a drink or like let her pick it for me, you know? Because I honestly get overwhelmed with the Starbucks menu. They have so many options that I just go in there and I'm like, So I decided to bring you guys along and we're gonna go to Starbucks and let them pick my drink. Okay, so there are two main Starbucks in my town. Starbucks, besides the one in the mall and the one inside Target. One of them is a drive-thru and one of them is not, which I'm kind of nervous about because I'm gonna have to go in there and ask for them to pick my order in person. So the plan is to order 2 drinks from each Starbucks, so I'm gonna have 4 drinks in total, which I definitely don't think I'm gonna finish. So I think I'm gonna come back home and give one to Rob. I'm also going to Sabrina's house today, so she'll have one too. I'm also hoping it's not busy when I go because I don't want them to get upset at me. I've seen so many of these videos where like the baristas get upset, so hopefully that doesn't happen to me. But it's only 3:20. I don't think they get busy at this time. I'm just assuming they usually get busy after work or before work, right? So we'll see how this goes. I don't even know, like I'm kind of shy. Like what am I supposed to say? I'm just gonna be nice and be like, hey, could you pick a drink? Oh my gosh, there's a long line at the drive-thru, like super long. Oh man, guys, I guess this means they're busy. Hopefully I don't get upset. I don't even know what to say. Like, what do you even say? Hi, I'd like to order 2 small cold drinks, but you can pick it. Or like, can you pick my drink? Like, oh my God, I don't even know how I'm supposed to ask this. I'm just gonna see how this goes. I'm not even gonna plan what I'm gonna say. I'm just gonna see what comes out of my mouth. Why am I so nervous? What the heck? I think what I'm most nervous about is them getting upset, like getting mad because they're busy and I'm over here trying to film a video. Okay, I'm next. Oh my goodness, okay.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hi, I was wondering if you could just pick my drinks. Anything cold, 2 small, 2 of them.
Anything?
Yeah, I know this is so random. I just never know what to order, so whatever you think is good. 2 different drinks, size small. Anything cold.
Okay, give me 1 second. And you said cold, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, it's gonna be a tall iced caramel brulee latte, which is my favorite, and then we have a tall iced peppermint mocha, which is my 2nd favorite.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Great,
welcome.
thank you. It wasn't as hard as I thought. And the drinks she chose sound pretty good, so I'm excited to try them. Hi.
So what's the occasion?
I'm actually filming a YouTube video, so it's like this new challenge where you ask the barista to pick your drinks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to link me with your YouTube video. You're gonna have to tag me.
Do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Here, I'll follow you.
Do you speak Spanish?
Yeah.
La vida de...
La vida de...
Thalia.
Thalia?
Thalia. T-H-A-L-I-A.
L-I-A. Cool. Thank you so much.
Here you go. Do you want any napkins?
I'm good.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you. You too. So cool. Okay, that was not as hard as I thought, and she was so nice. Okay, I'm excited to try these, you guys. Let me get to a safe spot where I can stop. Oh, I forgot what she said each one was. Hopefully it's on the video and I can hear it. Oh, this is an iced peppermint mocha. It says it on the little sticker here. Let's see. Ooh, this looks so chocolatey. That's really minty. It's not bad. It just tastes like mint chocolate. Okay, I like this one. I don't love it, but I like it. I would order it. It makes me feel Christmassy. Okay, the next one looks like something I would order. Okay, this is a iced caramel. Oh, I don't even know. It says ICDCRBRL. It has like cool little crystals on top. I think these are like caramel crystals. Can you see that? Focus. Oh, I just dropped it. Oh my God, I'm making a mess. Okay, ready? I'm gonna try this. Ooh, this is good. This is really good. Yep, this is something I would order. It's an iced caramel something. I'll try to write down the name if I ever figured it out. Talia, if you end up watching this video, your picks were really good. Now, before we head to the next Starbucks, there's one little errand that I need to run. I need to pick up some food for my chickens, so we might be going to the feed store, and then we'll go to the next Starbucks. I feel like I'm always mentioning my chickens. I just noticed that. I mentioned them in my last video, my Halloween video. Well, they were like crowing super loud, so I guess I had to. And now I have to go buy chicken food. Hopefully you guys don't mind coming along. They have cute little chickies at the feed store, and they might have baby pigs too. Every time I see them, my heart just explodes, and I can't control myself. Like, one of these days I'm gonna go home with a baby pig, so you'll see some cute babies. It'll be worth it, don't worry. All right, I'm at the feed store. Time to get some chicken food.
Home with everybody.
Oh, can I pet her?
She'll jump all over you.
Hi.
She's just only 12 weeks old.
Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, she's still a lot of puppy left in.
Yeah, she's so cute. Oh, they don't have any pigs. They're usually in here. They have these. So cute. Hi. Guys, I'm obsessed. Baby chicks are the cutest. I just got the chicken food. Now we're gonna go to the second Starbucks. Seeing those baby chicks, they're just so cute. Every time I see them, I just want more chickens, but we're overflowing with eggs as it is. We're only 2 people, so I can't imagine having more. Now we're heading out for coffee. Okay, I finally found my way into Starbucks number 2. I'm hoping it's open. Oh no, it's not open. Wait, is it? I can't tell. There's a paper on the door, but I don't know what it says. Should I go out and read it? I'm gonna go out and read it and come right back. Okay, they're closed. Now my only option is the one inside Target. And I don't want to get sucked into Target right now because I love Target and you know how it is. You go in for one thing and you end up having a shopping spree. But I'm just gonna go in for coffee this time. I'm gonna hold myself to it, just coffee. Okay, I'm here. Now I'm wondering, how do I make sure they don't give me the same drink? I don't know, but then I don't want to be picky either and be like, but not this one or this one. You know? There's so many drinks on the menu. What's the probability they'll actually give me the same drink, you know? Again, I'm a little bit nervous because this time I have to go in there in person. So let's see how this goes. I'm so shy, but let's do it. Okay, this is gonna be really weird, but could you just pick any 2 drinks, random cold drinks? I never know what to order, so just whatever you're thinking.
Okay, do you want it to be blended like a Frappuccino, or do you want it to be like iced?
Either way, whichever's fine.
And
2 different
what size?
ones. Small.
Whipped cream okay on them?
You guys, it happened. I got the same drink. Oh my gosh. They gave me the same one. Caramel brulee. I have to write down the name on the screen. I know I'm saying it wrong. But they gave me the same one. This is everyone's favorite. Oh my gosh. So I have 2 of the same drinks and then a peppermint mocha, I think. What was this? The iced peppermint mocha. And this one, which looks pretty cool, but I don't know what it's called. But look, it has like pink sprinkles. This is a... Okay, I don't even know what this is. Hold on. Where's the receipt? Let me check. Okay, this is a... Everything's abbreviated, so I don't even know what it is. A frappuccino, but it doesn't say what kind of frap. Whatever, let's try it. I think I might have recorded her saying what it was. But let's see. Ready? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is my favorite. This one's so good. Man, I really hope I got the name of it. What if I didn't get the name and I can never order it again? Guys, this is the winner. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then this one's the exact same. So I'm not gonna try it. I'll just keep this to give it to Sabrina or Rob. So I got 2 from one Starbucks and 2 from the other Starbucks. They gave me 2 of the same thing. I knew it was gonna happen. Yeah, if I would have gone to just one, they would have given me 4 different ones. You're right. I didn't think they would give me the same. I'm like, what's the probability? Their menu is so huge, right? Like really, like what are the chances that they'd give me the same drink twice, right? But they did. It's good. It's not bad. But I would have liked to have tried a different one, you know, like 4 different drinks. I picked my favorite out of all 4, but I don't remember the name of it, so I can't ever order it ever again if I don't remember the name. Hopefully I recorded it and I can like watch it back and see if I can hear her say the name of the drink, because it's really good. He's like, why didn't you just get 4 drinks from the same Starbucks? Why did I do that? Why did I think I had to go to 2 different ones? I think that's how they do it on the challenge videos, right? They go to 2 different ones. That's why I did it. Why didn't I just get 4 from the same Starbucks? Right, guys? Oh well. Hello, can I pass by and drop off coffee? You want Starbucks? I have 4 drinks from Starbucks and I'm only one person, so I'm trying to share. Are you guys busy? I know you're building a fence, but like we can chill while you build the fence. I mean, we can help you build the fence actually. Actually, that's nicer. That's a nicer thing to say. We can help you build the fence, not just sit there and watch. Now I'm left with 4 drinks that I can't finish on my own. Good, okay, I'm gonna go pick up Rob at home and then we'll head over. Do you want me to pick up food? Okay, bye. Alright, so as you guys heard, I'm just gonna pick up Rob and we're gonna head over to Sabrina's house. And I think I might pick up some pizza on the way, but I need to share these drinks, guys. I cannot finish this all by myself. I will finish this one though, because this one's my favorite. I'm not sharing. Okay, ready? You're gonna have to tell me which one's your favorite, okay? That one's so good, right? It just tastes like cake to me.
Yeah.
Right? It's so good.
I want to say this one because I like caramel. I think this one.
Yeah, that one's my favorite.
What's it called?
I don't know! It says TWMF. I have no idea what that stands for, but it's delicious. Okay, now we're heading to Sabrina's house. All right, we decided to come get some pizza. I'm excited because I'm starving. Pizza is in the back seat. I'm sorry about all the mail back there. And now we're heading to Sabrina's house. Her drink is still not melted. Looks pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't get watered down by the time I get there. Hello, where's your mama? I got her some coffee. You're the cutest thing ever. You're the cutest thing ever. Come on. Help me find your mamas. He's so happy. Where's your mamas? I know it looks creepy in here. We're actually at Sabrina's farm. These are some stalls. Hello.
Hi.
What's up?
What's up?
I didn't even know you guys were here.
Ready? Here you go.
What's up, bro?
What is it?
What's up, man? How's it going?
Try it.
Did you just say brulee?
I've been saying it wrong this whole time. I know. What is it? Brulee?
Yeah.
Brulee.
I think, right?
Is it good?
Wow, it's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I drank the other 3. Sorry. And you guys can share.
You drank 3?
I drank half of 2 and he drank the other half.
They want that. I don't like that.
It was good? Is it good? Okay. All right, guys.
You look so nice, and I'm around horses looking like a horse.
Girl, we're at a farm, okay? It's understandable, right? Right? I think that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. I'm gonna go ahead and eat some pizza with the crew, and I'll see you guys in my next
I don't
one.
want any more.
Bye. You're not gonna believe this. This whole time, I'm here thinking they gave me 2 of the same drink, and I just tried Sabrina's, and it's different. It tastes different. This whole time, I'm thinking it's the same drink, and it's not. It's really good, and it's totally different. It was different the whole time, and I'm sitting here thinking I had 2 of the same. Wow.